glasses. Okay. Ja, vi ska se det.
Ready?
Yeah, roll.
Hello, my name is Oliki Zontak.
I'm Tomas Albanauskas.
Aaron Dahara.
Aušra Vankevičiūtė, Staticus Group CEO.
I'm located in Switzerland, working for Staticus Switzerland.
I'm the regional director for the UK market.
Head of commercial division.
Marketing and HR approached me if I have a good story to tell, fitting to our cultural behaviors. So the first thing which popped into my mind was a story about a project.
The largest hospital in Europe.
To secure the project in the final tender, because it was a public tender and it required a lot of documentation, many people cross-functionally have been involved in this. However, what people didn't really see is the 1.5 or 2 years before it actually became a tender on our tables. We went through several pre-qualification processes, and the pre-qualification processes typically require a lot of documents to be filled out.
To meet certain requirements, fill 2,000 pages of the data and etc.
When the first pre-qualification round took place, I approached Sales UK, and I said, hey, there is this choosy hospital project. I think we should put some attention on this, keep it alive. And they asked me, like, where is it? And I'm like, it's in Iceland.
Project in the country nobody cares about, sorry.
Iceland has not been part of the United Kingdom yet, right? So the answer was, we're sorry, but we're very busy in the UK, and
since it's not their market, main market, nobody had a time.
Please understand, right? So then I approached the Nordics team, and the answer from the Nordics team was, there is a UK-based, very stringent consultant on it. We don't think that we're up to like really UK typical specifications. So, and we're also quite busy. And I was thinking, still it's too choosy to neglect, who knows what's in 1.5 years when that thing is ready to be tendered. So I approached one of our bid managers at that time. His name is Tomas Albanauskas, and I'm like, Thomas, how about I do the front talk with clients, consultants, and you help me with all the paperwork which has to be filled out.
He is the person you can go anytime, ask for the help,
and his answer was, sure, I'll do that.
You're always gonna find your time.
Although he was also busy, he was not waiting for additional paperwork.
And this was came a bit in short notice, so we didn't have opportunity, to plan in advance and to allocate the resources. So it was a bit time pressure.
Thomas took that upon him to undertake that pre-construction qualification, when absolutely nobody else really wanted to take that on because they knew how much pain and how much work it was going to be.
So yeah, I took that moment, this opportunity. I took a lead to deliver these pre-qualification processes.
He's extremely competent in his role, and he's able to pass on his knowledge, and he tries to do that in the best way he can with those working around him. But he also not only does that, but he gets the best out of people around him.
We had quite a good supporting team. Within Staticus, we had Paulius Kapušinskas, Paulius Karvelis, Eva Gradickienė, and the others helped me to put everything in place that we would be able to show that we are capable to do such a big scale project.
But he also has this determination within himself to deliver, and I think if you have that delivery focus and client focus, then no matter what it takes, you will do it.
He has this inner drive and inner thing, okay, why not? If it's big, and we among largest facade contractors, and why not to try? Why not to compete with the big boys and to show that we can? And
within Europe, there's not that many companies that could do such a project, and we were, I would say, quite a perfect fit for this opportunity. that was the reason that I took this opportunity and dedicated some extra time, extra efforts to make a step into it, so we could get into the main tender where we secured the project.
So we went to at least two rounds of paperwork and pre-qualifications. By the time the tender was ready and the tender was on our desk, we had a crisis in the Nordics. Nordics was not going that well, and the team was happy to take this tender, and we secured it, and it was a really good, strong project for Staticus.
Complex project from technical point of view. First time we did seismic movement tests, such wind loads, such requirements and such a size, logistic plans, etc. So large part of the project was new, and we proved ourselves that we have this competence in-house and we can deliver such projects, and that's the nice story to the other clients and to the other projects.
From now on, Iceland is a Staticus market, and we got the second project of the same client, and we are looking for the other two opportunities. So now this is as our home market as well.
Nice success story, extreme ownership, very good example from Tomas' side.
Tomas differentiated himself a little bit there, and he put his hand up and took ownership of it actually, and took real accountability to deliver it.
Oh, he is somebody who is acting in the interest of the company.
He will always raise the hand.
His willingness and his approach to actually undertake that seemingly small task, which nobody really wanted to do, reflected and turned into a massive win in the end for the business.
The contract was more than 47 million euros, and
for Staticus it was one of the biggest jobs that we have in the pipeline.
It's the largest contract in our history. Tomas could easily said oh, it's not my job, it's not my market, I don't have time for it, etc. But let's not waste good opportunities, and let's grab it. And he sees and he knows the importance of it to the company.
What we really should learn out of this situation, to be open-minded for something which maybe we cannot imagine as of today, but might become something big in the near future. Think outside the box, never settle.
Let's bring it on, something new, never settle. That's the thing.